Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that SMClone token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, SMClone is a blockchain based token that represents economic ownership in super microcomputer created through Ondo finance tokenization platform to provide global investors with accessible exposure to traditional equities. Tokenized equity. It is a digital representation of super microcomputer stock, granting token holders economic rights similar to owning the underlying share. Ondo platform assets. It exists within the Ondo ecosystem, which tokenizes real-world assets RWAs like stock and ETFs for on-chain trading. Global accessibility, designed to provide investors outside the United States within 24/7 access to the US equity market through blockchain technology. SMClone token total supplies around 52,000 and circulating supplies also 52,000 FN clone token. SMClone token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEXC, Bitmart, Lbank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chance is that it is a very good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.